Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today we're going to do a quick comparison review between these four guys here. Four different brands, four different premium steels, but similar features, similar characteristics. So let's get started. This is your Paramilitary 2 from Spyderco. And in this case, this is employing a CPM S110V. This is a crazy high edge retention steel, which means that you can use this guy and just forget to sharpen, almost, kind of. I mean, if you keep this stropped, you're gonna, just need to maintain the edge. You don't have to spend tons of time to actually sharpen this one. But when you have to sharpen this one, it's gonna be just painful because it's not easy. It's time consuming, and it's not gonna be a quick task. But you're gonna have some amazing edge retention for this one. Something that they give up in the in the designing and production of this one is, of course, like the toughness. You cannot have like a knife, a blade that is easy to sharpen, which can retain the edge forever, that is super tough and that's extremely corrosion resistant. It doesn't exist. You have to balance the elements employed in the mix to achieve some sort of optimal point for your task. So this would be ideal, for example, if you need to cut cardboard all day long. This is your Benchmade 940-1, and this is employing S90V. S90V is widely used by Benchmade and Spyderco. For example, your Paisan is employing S90V right over here. So it's a quite popular steel. Edge retention is not as good as S110V. It's actually tough to sharpen, but it's a little bit tougher than S110V, as well as corrosion resistant, a little bit less resistant to corrosion than S110V. So overall, also incredible super steel. This one, you can just keep going with this guy over here. Next, we have the Zero Tolerance 0562. This is the carbon fiber edition, and it's using CPM 20V. CPM is made by Crucible Industry. This is made in US. Edge retention, I would say it's more or less on par with the S90V. It's a little bit easier to sharpen. It's like not fun, but it's much tougher. So they gave up a little bit of edge retention for this one in order to gain much more toughness and a little bit more corrosion resistance compared to these two guys. So this is your option, given from Zero Tolerance. Next, we have M390, which is the one of the most employed premium steels in the knife industry. It's made by Böhler from Austria, and it gives crazy edge retention on par with 20CV, sorry, and it's not gonna be easy to sharpen. But this guy is gonna be probably the most corrosion resistant of the bunch. And as well as toughness, it's comparable to this one. So you see, you need to find like the right balance between the features of the steel that you're looking for to nail down your task properly. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this quick comparison review. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.